Hello everybody, this video is an overview of your website content. This is basically everything that's going to be on your website, whether you have pages from projects, galleries, quotes, whatnot. So when you first fire up your website, we give you pages that are suggested for your trade. You can actually change those pages, so anything that you want to add to your site or replace. Say you want to have actually a contact form instead of a quote, you can just drag this down in here and turn it live, and now you have a contact page. There's also other ways that you can do things as well. So this trade actually has an About Us page, but you can actually go, this is everything about your home page. You can actually go in here and turn on an About section on your home page. So you don't have to have an About page if you're really want to put something else in there. Maybe you have a little cafe at your motorcycle shop and you want a menu or something. Also, the last little section is you can reorder these. So if you need to, you want to reorder what you're going to see. Maybe you want contact on the end, you want About second, gallery second. You can just shift these around. So the next section is we'll talk about what's on these pages themselves. So first, let's talk about the home page. So when you go into home page, there is your carousel images, you have your standard services, which we already give you, and your prices. There are other things to add on. You can add on a call to action banner, which is the sort of temporary banner that shows up, maybe shows that you're running a sale for the weekend. Association logos, so you can have anything from, say you're a motorcycle shop, you can have anything from motorcycle manufacturers like a Ducati logo, Triumph logo, whatnot. And user reviews, so you can add all your user reviews to your page manually. Down the road, we'll actually pull this from your Google Business, and you'll be able to specify what reviews you want to pull. So maybe you want to only pull 5-star reviews, of course. And the last section here, which is navigation and footer, and this has to do whether you're showing a logo or what sort of text you want on the bottom of that footer. So all that section is here for your home page. Rest of these pages, and we'll have a video for each one of these, so we'll just go into any of editing these. So on all these sections are going to be pretty much the same. So you have your main content, which you can replace the image at the top. You can also replace what text shows up on the projects. And we do also have a rewrite, so we can go in and just rewrite some stuff for you, give you a suggestion of what you think you should have. Next section is always going to be about the content of the project, so adding new projects or whatnot. And then you might also, on some pages, have an option to show categories. So maybe you have, 35, 50 projects. You might want to put those into categories, just so it's an easier navigation for your users. So essentially, yes, this is all the main part of your website and sort of anything you display and what pages you want to show. So I'll jump into start talking about all these pages next. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.